I don't have a license.
Okay. Have you been trespass warned from the airport?
The transport of any weapons through an airport security checkpoint.
I was sent to
You were sent where?
A criminal prosecution.
Okay, do you have your license or your ID with you? Can I borrow it for 1 second, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And towed at the owner's expense.
Let's not have a repeat of the other night. Please.
Listen, look at that envelope right there. There's an envelope right there. I'm trying to explain to you why I'm here. The paperwork right there. There's a paperwork right there. Can you look at it before you do anything else? There's a paperwork in that envelope.
Your insurance?
No, there's a paperwork inside that envelope, sir.
Yes, your insurance.
No, there's something else. Look at the paperwork, what it says.
Call clerk of courts for probation.
Yes, look at the paperwork, please.
This one needs to report to probation?
If you want me to leave, I could leave. I'm trying to tell you I'm here for a reason. But you never look at the paperwork.
I did. You have
No,
insurance
you're not
paperwork,
looking
which I'm technically not supposed to look
Look
at.
at the clock paperwork, sir. Then you'll understand. Can you please look at it?
Okay. Your charges from your December arrest.
What's the charge?
Trespass after warning.
You're back again at the same place.
And resist officer without violence.
What happens when a passenger accuses deputies of racial profiling on camera, then hands the arresting officer the paperwork that proves them wrong? This is a misdemeanor case in name only, because the real consequences are hidden in 3 Supreme Court doctrines and 1 line of Florida statute. By the end of this analysis, you will understand why a routine trespass arrest at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport became one of the cleanest constitutional arrests of the year.
Excuse me. Oh, God. Again, I have my ticket to... Okay, this is the thing that I'm having a problem with. The homeless people that do not have a ticket to be here, neither yesterday or today, you guys are not getting them out of here.
Well, that's what I'm going to do right now. So
Say that again?
that's what I'm going to do right now. So,
All right, okay, I see what you're saying. But there was a woman that yesterday she was here, she's here again today, but whatever, you say you're going to take care of it, whatever. But they've been here all day and all night. It's a serious problem that they're not supposed to...
not a problem. Do you have your ticket?
Oh, yes, I do. And
Can you
what
show
I'm
it to me?
saying is, give me a second though. I already been had my ticket.
Okay,
so
but I just need to see it so I can leave you alone. If you have the ticket, then we're good to go. And
I
nothing
just
will
said I
happen.
have it. I said I have it, so let me
Yes.
go get it. It's not like it's something I have it in my lap, right?
Yeah, just grab it from your possessions, and then I
And then I
verify.
need to be left alone for the rest of the night. So I'm saying to you, Sheriff,
Yeah.
the both of you, make sure you
Yeah, I'm
tell
doing
the
it to
rest of your
everybody.
people.
Yep, we're doing it to
leave
everybody.
me
Yep,
alone.
yep.
I got with my travel yesterday
No
because
problem.
I got.
Just grab that so I can leave you alone.
You
so
know what I'm
everybody
saying to you? This stuff needs to be recorded.
It is recorded.
Right, but I'm just saying that I'm telling you the facts here that 2 times I've got approached when I should have never been approached.
Got it.
I was being sexually harassed all day yesterday when I was getting my bags together.
Okay.
And I want people to understand that I'm getting the out of this country. I don't want to be here. I'm tired of people like
Perfect.
you bothering me.
Perfect. We're not gonna. Once you show me that, then I can leave you alone.
I want nothing to do with this face, man. The harassment is jealousy because I got too much flash, as you can see.
Okay.
Pathetic, man. I'm the only person that you guys coming up to that's a passenger. I don't see you going up to no white passenger asking them for no goddamn ticket.
Oh.
And that's another that I'm not gonna problem with when they be on the ground, sleeping, or if they're at the club, whatever. You not bother with them. It's always you just coming from me because I'm black and I'm a woman. And I have so what's up. So that's what I'm saying. You got some serious issues here. Why are you not going up to every passenger every
I haven't seen any white people yet, so when I see
You
them,
haven't
I'll
seen
let
no
you know.
white people traveling here? Oh,
Yeah.
So as you can see the date, February 4th, which is supposed to be today, I don't know what time it is, and my flight is a non-stop flight. And this is,
February
that's
4th
me.
At 12. Okay,
That's
cool.
the only,
Thank
they
you.
don't
That's all
have
I need.
several flights is out the country.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I
All
appreciate
right,
it.
that's it, sir. Let these people know.
Yep. Thank you. Oh, okay. Hello. Ma'am. Good morning. How are you? Hello? Good morning, ma'am. My name is Deputy Leon with the Sheriff's Office. How you doing, sir? It's 1:12 in the morning. Do you guys have like tickets or anything like that? Just stay right there, my man. Just give me a second. All right? Do you have a ticket and stuff to like that you're gonna catch a flight? Did you miss a flight or something?
Yeah.
You missed your flight? All right, not a problem, my man. Do you have like a ticket or something to show that you got like a flight or anything like that? What's up?
I just came from the stop over there.
Okay, not a problem, dude. We'll get you moving. Do you have a ticket? Do you have a reason to be here at the airport?
Oh yeah, I'm waiting for the other stop. So.
Okay, where are you flying to?
I have to get to the other side.
Okay, but where are you flying to?
I'm not flying.
Okay, so are you homeless or are you just sleeping here?
No, I'm waiting for a ticket.
You're waiting for a ticket?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a ticket on you?
Oh no.
You're gonna buy a ticket?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am, how are you? Do you have a ticket or anything like that to catch a flight later on today? Do you have a ticket to go fly today?
Unattended luggage will be removed and may be discarded. Do not accept or transport any.
Okay, have you been trespass warned from the airport?
Prohibits the transport of any weapons through an airport security checkpoint.
I was sent
Transporting weapons through a security checkpoint.
You were sent where?
A criminal prosecution.
Okay, do you have your license or your ID with you? Can I borrow it for 1 second, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And towed at the owner's expense.
Let's not have a repeat of the other night. Please.
Yep, you're gonna get your ID in a minute.
Stand up.
Yep, just go ahead and put all your property down. Yep, just put your property down, please. Okay, do me a favor, just turn around. Turn around. Thank you, thank you. Please turn around. Don't fight me. Just go ahead, turn around. Put both hands behind your back. Thank you so much. Don't do that. Don't.
Why are you putting handcuff on me? Just
Because you're under arrest.
Oh, no more conform against you to pass ahead. I try to explain to you why I'm here. I was sent here for a reason.
Yep. You just said it.
I explained to you why I'm here.
You did not.
I tried to tell you. You didn't give me a chance to explain. Please don't put handcuffs on me, sir. Please. Please don't. I'm begging you. Don't do that.
There you go.
Please don't do that. I'm here for a reason. I'm trying to tell you.
Okay. Well, right now you can't. You're not supposed to be doing what you're doing. You're borderline resisting arrest right now.
What are we doing? I'm not asking why are you doing that. I have a question. What's my time, sir?
Huh? Trespass-after-warning.
No, I'm not trespassing.
Yes, you are. You've
I
been
was
officially
told to stay
trespassed.
here.
You've been officially trespassed from the airport.
Sir, I'm not trespassing. I'm trying to explain to you why I'm here.
Okay. You don't have a ticket to go
Sir,
anywhere.
I try to explain. You're not giving me a chance.
Okay, so go ahead and explain. Do you have a ticket to go somewhere?
I'm waiting for my luggage.
Okay. No problem. You're under arrest for trespass after.
Florida Statute Section 810.08 requires 3 elements for trespass after warning: a prior warning to depart, presence on the premises after that warning, and a lack of authorization to remain. Element 1 is established by the subject's own December 2023 court paperwork, which she voluntarily handed to the arresting deputy. Element 2 is established by direct officer observation in the terminal at 1:12 in the morning. Element 3 is established by the subject's own admission that she held no ticket and was not traveling. Once probable cause exists for a misdemeanor, the constitutional authority to make a custodial arrest is settled law. In Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, the Supreme Court held that a warrantless custodial arrest is permissible under the Fourth Amendment for any offense committed in an officer's presence, regardless of severity. Florida Statute Section 901.15 codifies that same authority at the state level. The deputy's prior recollection of the subject from an earlier contact does not weaken the arrest in any way. Under Whren versus United States, an officer's subjective awareness or motivation is constitutionally irrelevant when objective probable cause exists.
I'm waiting for my luggage. I came here for my luggage. And I don't know why you I try to explain to you, and I give you all everything I can explain to you. So somebody sent you to lock me up here?
There is a directive here at the airport. There are people who keep on trespassing here after they've been told to leave.
Sir, I'm not trespassing. I'm trying to tell you something.
Yep, you said you're waiting for your luggage.
I tried to explain to you, but you didn't give me a chance.
Okay, a month ago you fought a deputy here for the same reason.
A what?
A deputy, a police officer. You fought a police officer.
Wait. If you're trying to explain about something that I'm listening to you, I'm trying to explain. I'm listening to you. You know, you people making a mistake.
Here, man, just like this. You need some shoes.
Put my stuff. Please take this thing out.
No, it's not coming off. It's already done,
For the
man.
love of God, I asked you.
It's too late. Just put on
Sir,
your shoes.
I try to explain to you why I'm here.
It's too late. Put on your shoes.
What is late?
It's too late. You're getting arrested.
Why are you arresting me?
He just told you.
Not come. Why?
Don't come back. Don't you come back and camp out.
I'm not camping. I'm not camping. I'm here for a reason, sir.
Documented that you were told that
I'm here. Let me explain.
it's okay.
You see me
We're gonna take
here.
it in jail, okay?
You want to put me in jail for what?
Trespass-after-warning.
Stop. Let me explain.
Put on your shoes.
I try to explain to you. You're not letting me explain. So you're doing things that are wrong. And listen. Look at that envelope right there. There's an envelope right there. I'm trying to explain to you why I'm here. The paperwork right there. There's a paperwork right there. Can you look at it before you do anything else? There's a paperwork in that envelope.
Your insurance?
No, there's a paperwork inside that envelope, sir.
Yes, your insurance.
No, there's something else. Look at the paperwork what it says.
Call clerk of courts for probation.
Yes, look at the paperwork, please.
This one needs to report to probation.
If you want me to leave, I could leave. I'm trying to tell you I'm here for a reason. But you never look at the paperwork.
I did. You have
No,
insurance
you're not
paperwork,
looking at
which I'm technically not supposed to look
Look
at.
at the clock paperwork, sir. Then you'll understand. Can you please look at it?
Your charges from your December arrest.
What was the charge?
Trespass-after-warning.
And you're back again at the same place.
And resist officer without violence. Upon your release, you will be receiving your court date.
The most significant legal claim raised on this record is the subject's allegation of racial selective enforcement, and it is also the most cleanly defeated. Under United States v. Armstrong, a selective enforcement claim requires proof of both discriminatory effect and discriminatory purpose, and neither element is present here. The same body camera that recorded the allegation also recorded the deputy contacting and releasing individuals of multiple demographics in the minutes before approaching the subject. Equal application is documented on the record, not merely asserted. On the use of force question, Graham v. Connor controls the entire analysis. The deputy applied only handcuffing on a non-resisting subject, with no strikes, no takedowns, and no pain compliance, satisfying the objective reasonableness standard with significant margin to spare. One final legal consequence is worth noting, because the December paperwork explicitly referenced clerk of court probation reporting. The subject's return to the airport almost certainly triggers a violation of probation in addition to the new misdemeanor charge.
So why are we doing this?
Because you are committing the same crime.
Crime that
This is not a crime, sir.
It is the same
It's
crime.
not a crime.
It is a crime.
It's not.
You trespass?
Because I'm not the only person here.
I
If
spoke to
you
that
say I'm
guy.
trespassing,
That guy got a trespass
look
warrant.
down there. Look behind you.
Okay, no problem.
Please look behind you. Down.
There is zero
Sir,
tolerance.
look behind you. Look down the floor. Not here, down there. You don't see people sleeping down there?
There is zero tolerance. After I'm done with you, I'm going to them.
It's not making any sense. You
It
are
is.
attacking me for the second time, talking about trespassing.
Okay.
This house belongs to God, not yours. This house belongs to God.
Okay.
And you arresting the wrong person.
All right, no worries. So
Yeah,
this can go with her to the jail. All right,
Please
we'll
put
take
my,
this.
please
We'll
put my
come-
things together. I don't want to have to do.
Sorry. Let's just take her to your car, so I can do and we'll take
Take
it.
the handcuff
Give me
over.
one second. We'll go 1019 so I can finish out the paperwork. We'll do the property receipts and all that stuff, and then we're good to go. Between the people, the guy saying 1,000 things on the radio, or spitting out like nonsense.
My stuff, please.
I'm coming back for it. I'm coming back for it. Give me a second.
Why are you putting my hands? Why are you wasting your time? Why?
They pay us to make money.
Huh?
Pinnock, where?
My car is hooked up.
Okay.
Deputy Dwayne Dowell receives an A-. The arrest is legally clean, the force is minimum, and the demeanor remains professional under a serious accusation of bias. The subject receives a D. The grade is not lower only because she avoided physical resistance, a measurable improvement over her December conduct, but every other axis of evaluation weighs against her. The Broward Sheriff's Office Airport Detail receives a B+. Complaint-driven, equally applied enforcement is the correct operational pattern, with the deduction reflecting a missed opportunity for coordinated diversion rather than pure custodial cycling. 3 practical lessons emerge from this case. Lesson 1. A trespass warning is not a one-time inconvenience because once issued, it converts every subsequent unauthorized return into a chargeable offense. Lesson 2. A profiling allegation cannot survive contradicted body camera footage because when the same recording shows equal application across demographics, the claim collapses as a matter of law. Lesson 3. Active probation status is not a shield, it is an aggravator, because returning to the location of the original offense converts a routine misdemeanor into a near-certain violation of probation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.